Here we are again, Dad and Ali Cooks. A simple and healthy vegetable dish na napakadaling lutuin ang ihahain namin ngayon. Ano ba to? Chopsuey or stir fry? What do you think? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. Ito po ang mga ingredients. We have 1/2 kilo of chicken meat, 8 pieces quail eggs, repolyo, bagu beans, sayote, carrots, onions, garlic, nor chicken cubes, and oyster sauce. Okay, by Boss Ali. Let's start! We need to boil our chicken first in a pan for about 10 minutes para ma-extract natin yung broth nito. Tatakpan natin ito para kumulo ng 10 minuto. This will also make our chicken tender and tasty as well, para mas madali na siyang lutuin mamaya. After 10 minutes of boiling, extract na natin yung chicken broth and we will set this one aside first. Sa pinainit na kawali, maglalagay tayo ng 20 grams of butter and we will let it melt. After natin ma-melt yung butter, maglalagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon ng mantika. And then, magsisimula tayong mag-isa. Uunahin natin ang bawang. Mga about 10 seconds natin ito igigisa. And after that, isusunod natin igigisa ang ating sibuyas. Pagkatapos natin maigisa ang bawang at sibuyas, isusunod naman natin ang ating sinangkutsang manok. We will put all chicken meat and fry it together with garlic and onions. And then isunod ang quail eggs. And after that, ilalagay na natin ang ating sliced carrots. We will fry this for about 1 minute para mas maging tender yung ating carrots. And then after that, isusunod na natin ang ating sayote. After natin mailagay yung sayote, isusunod naman natin ang ating bagu beans. And then, hahaluin lang natin to mix and blend lahat ng ingredients. After we mix and blend, of course, lalagyan natin ng pepper, and salt to taste. And after natin mailagay yung ating asin, isusunod natin ilalagay ang 30 grams of oyster sauce. This will make our veggies tasty and delicious. We'll just spread it all over. And then, haluin lang natin ulit. And after natin ma-mix and blend, ilalagay na natin ang ating na-extract na chicken broth doon sa ating pinakuluang chicken meat. And then, ayusin lang natin ng konti. We'll stir slowly as well. And after that, we will have to cover it and we will simmer for 5 minutes in slow heat. And after 5 minutes, medyo luto na yung ating mga gulay together with the meat. Maglalagay na tayo ng dissolved flour para ma-thicken yung ating sauce. Ito ang magpapalapot ng ating sauce. So we just need to mix and blend slowly. And after that, tatakpan lang natin ulit and we will simmer it for only 2 minutes. Para totally mag-mix and blend lahat ng ingredients. Slow cook to perfection na po tayo. So after 2 minutes, we're almost done. Ilalagay na natin ang ating repolyo. After mailagay ng repolyo, just mix it gently. We're almost done and we will cover and simmer this for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, one last look, and we're done. We will now transfer it to our serving plate. Try this yummy and healthy, simple and easy to cook vegetable dish. So nutritious and full of vitamins. For sure, your family will love and enjoy. So can you help me name this one? What is this? Chopsuey or stir-fry veggies?
Please like this video. If you have comments or reactions or suggestions, kindly comment down below. If you want more yummy and exciting videos, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our upcoming videos.
Thank you and God bless us all.